Hey, Crawlspace Kiefer here, and thanks for watching another Truth and No Bull. So we're going to jump in today and we're going to talk about contractors that are telling customers that when it comes to crawlspace drainage, the only way you can handle it is by making sure you put the footer drain tile on the exterior. You don't ever really want to do that if you have a dirt crawl space. So think about it. You probably have your landscaping, your bushes, your flowers, all that going around your house. You also have the grass, and you possibly have different appliances like your heat pump and all kinds of other different things that are on the outside perimeter of your house. Maybe you even have some pavers, right? Or a sidewalk. All that stuff is going to have to be pulled up and then the drain tile installed on the outside. Where if you have a dirt crawl space, this is where you easily can put in footer drain tile around the inside perimeter and have that go to a sub pump or multiple sub pumps depending on the situation, and then have that exited to daylight or pumped out your crawl space onto some pop-up emitters. So if you have a contractor that tells you that the only way that it can be done is by the outside or the exterior of your home, that's probably because it's going to cost you about 3 times as much. So they're really trying to make sure that that sale is up there. What you actually need is the footer drain tile, again, around the perimeter of your foundation walls leading to sub pumps, and then have those sub pump or sub pumps exit that water outside the building envelope. So make sure that when you get crawl space drainage, you think about the cost of what it would be from the exterior and in the interior. And that's all I got for today. Thanks so much for watching.